Hey YouTube, Bright Spot back at it, man. How y'all doing? Ladies and gentlemen, Merry Christmas when it comes, It's Christmas Eve, not even 7 a.m. and we're at it, man. We're out here anticipating the day, what we have to do today. And I just want to say, man, don't give up. Don't give in, don't flinch, don't take your eye off the ball, man. You're out here for a reason. You left Jamaica because you wanted greater. You wanted something better than what they were providing to you in Jamaica, what the government, whatever your circumstances were, you wanted better, man, and you're here for better, so don't give up. Don't give up because you feel like you can't bother. Don't go back to your comfort zone, man. That's what they want you to do. So, my viewers and subscribers, I just want to tell you, man, when you're overseas, the other nationals, bro, they adore you as well as they fear you. They fear us Jamaicans and they adore us Jamaicans. So what you find is that the other nationalities, the other nationals, even if they cross you a one time, they're not gonna make it a habit, man. They're not gonna try to pressure you to give up and go home. You know who is gonna do that? The same Jamaicans that came from Jamaica where you're coming from. They're the ones who don't want to see you make it. They do all type of things, try to get you fed up, try to get you irritated, just for you to give in, man. So don't give up, man. Don't give up. Just avoid them, ignore them, and do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do so you can send that money back to Jamaica, so you can take it home, you can buy what you want. If you came abroad, wherever you are, Canada, America, the UK, wherever, if you came for 6 months, do a year. If you came for a year, do 2. Don't come for 6 months and do 3 or 2. Especially because of those crab in a barrel mentality Jamaicans around you, man. I'm telling you. And another thing, bro, you gotta hold your own out here. Because they will appear to be kind. They will appear to be kind, smile with you. When you come, they greet you, they welcome you. And after all the pleasantries and all of that, that's when they start testing you, man. I'm telling you. They're gonna test you. They're gonna test what you can put up with. They want to see your level. They're just gonna test you, man. I'm just so angry with all of these things that are happening, man, because when you're from Jamaica, you're not used to certain things, man. And you come out here, bro, you're gonna have to be sharing. You're gonna have to be sharing premises. You're gonna have to share bathroom, maybe you're gonna have to share a kitchen. Only thing you might have for yourself out here, man, is a bed. Oh, that's the only thing you might have. So you're gonna have to be sharing a whole lot in the beginning. And then these other Jamaicans, bro, they're just gonna be testing you, man, testing your resistance level. And you just gotta know, bro, don't you commit yourself, man. Don't let them win. Don't let them win, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, don't let them win. You gotta just be focused on what you want. And when you go back to Jamaica, man, and you have what you want that fat Mark X, you want that Axio, you want that land on that housing scheme, you want that house on the scheme, whatever it is you want that uptown girl, whatever it is you want, or you just want to have some money in your bank account. After you've gone through all the temptations and the trials, and you look back at what these motherfuckers were doing to you, man, you're gonna feel so elated, so happy. You're gonna feel accomplished, new level unlocked, because you know you showed resilience and you overcame, man. You came, you sought, and you conquered. A part of the reason I do these videos, it's like I'm documenting what is happening, so I know that, hey, on Christmas Eve 2024, I was here, and this video that I did was as a result of what happened yesterday or whatever, and I just came in, I did this video. So I'll have these videos to look back at, and I'm sharing these videos, sharing these motivational gems with you, so that you yourself can have something to look at and know that you're not alone in this struggle, man. You're not alone in this struggle that we're going through out here overseas. And as soon as you understand that you're not alone in the struggle, it makes your journey a lot easier, man. You just keep in tune with Bright Spock TV, because those Jamaicans, bro, they're the one who's gonna be testing you, man. The other nations, as sad as it might seem, they fear us, because they know that we're some aggressive people, we're violent, and we're all of that. But the Jamaicans, man, they're gonna test you, bro. They're gonna test you like they want you to get physical, and then you blow your opportunity when the cops get involved or whatever, you know? So I'm just telling you, man, keep motivated, keep grinding, keep doing what you're doing. It's Christmas Eve. It's not even 7 o'clock and I'm out here already, getting ready to take on the day. So this is just another one from Bright Spock Entertainment, Bright Spock TV. Until the next video, man, just keep grinding, bro. Keep doing it.